I'm super excited to announce that I've signed with a second company called Mascara. So today I'm going to introduce you to the products. The main product I'm going to be focusing on selling is called a HAC pack. For those of you who don't know what HAC is, it's HAC, Highlight and Contouring. It's all the rage. Everybody wants to know how to do it, and they want it to be kept simple. So that's what this company Mascara has done. These are the HAC packs. They're a quad pack. It's a starter kit. It's what I would recommend starting with. And there's your highlight, contour, blush, and setting powder. I will still be full force Senegence. I fell in love with Senegence products head over heels about 14 months ago, and I will still be using almost full face Senegence. This will just be in addition to that because honestly I haven't found anything that I love for contouring and highlighting. I have Anastasia contour palette. I've tried the Shadow Senses, everything from Bobbi Brown to Wet n Wild, and it's just hard, especially when I'm a makeup artist and I have a bridal party of 10 and everybody has different undertones and everybody needs different contour and highlighting colors. So that's what this has done. These are little magnetic colors and they go straight into your pack, straight into your HAC pack. And they just stick to it with the magnet. And there are several blushes, highlighters, contour colors to choose from. And I would love to help you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you. So I'm gonna start with my highlight. And I'm just gonna put this all over. I'm using very, very little. And on my lips, I forgot to tell you, all I'm wearing right now is a little bit of lash scents and black on my lashes, Garnet Shadow Scents on my brows, and First Love with Glossy Gloss on my lips. So I'm just going in with the highlight, which is kind of like your all over color. When I started the video on my face, all I was wearing was Senegence Dark Circle Treatment, Silk Primer, and Senegence Make Sense Tinted Moisturizer in Medium. So I'm pretty much going to do the rest of my face in this today, just to kind of introduce you to the product and show you how it works. So that's applied all over. Now I'm going to go in with my contour, which is the darker color, and start structuring and shaping my face. So you want to go under your cheekbone. You're creating a shadow. It's hard to find a contour that looks natural without it looking like you have a harsh line. That's why I love these. And the brush that I'm using is the 30-second HAC brush. It's part of the Mascara brand, and it just makes it super simple for you. You don't have to have 5 different types of highlighting and contouring brushes. So I'm just going in and creating my cheekbone glitter. Jawline. So basically, contouring is wherever you would naturally have a shadow. And it just makes that look more structured and chiseled. With this company, you don't actually have to message me to order. I will have a link to my website below, and you just go on there and you can look at all the products and you can order and you can message me and see what I would recommend as a makeup artist color-wise. Or you can look through the colors yourself and match it up to similar to what you think you would need. And it gives you an account and you just pay straight on there and it comes to your front porch. now I'm tapering down my nose. My nose is super swollen right now because I'm fighting a cold. I'm gonna go around my forehead. And I'm just creating a shadow. And then we will go back and, sorry, I can't see well, that's better. Then we will go back and blend it all with the Beauty Eliminator sponge. This with that company also that you can order from the website. So as you can see, it's becoming more chiseled. And this is supposed to look really natural. It's not supposed to look like you have on a lot. So I'm actually also using that on my eye. Just for a little bit of depth. You can even use your finger. When you do it with your finger, it's going to be a lot more pigmented than it is on the HAC brush. So be careful. So all of this is in one little compact with one brush. It's super easy. That's probably my main request. That's one of the main reasons why I started with this, is because my number one request right now is how do I highlight and contour? Even after I teach people, they're still scared to do it. So this kind of makes it a lot more simplified. It's one palette, one brush, you do it all with the same thing. I'm gonna go in with an illuminator that's a little bit lighter and go under my eyes in a pie V formation. And basically you can highlight and contour to your heart's content. You can make it look as dramatic or as natural as you'd like. You can stop at any point or keep going. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the nude blush that's right here. And just draw a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. Blush really helps soften down contouring and highlighting and make it not look so rough. And in just a second, I'm gonna go in with the setting powder. I'm gonna take the Beauty Perfector and just tap it all out. I'm gonna take my candlelight and go a little bit more under my eye. I really like a bright eye. I struggle with dark circles. I've noticed a huge improvement using my Synergence Dark Circle treatment though. And I'm going to cover up this bad boy with my candlelight as well as this dark spot. You can also take the contour and put it right here, and it gives you a deeper pout. So if you have any questions, let me know. There is an illuminator with this kit, but with the quad, but it looks like this, but I prefer the setting powder in my quad. So for my illuminator, I'm gonna go in with my pearlizer and put a little bit. So if you already have pearlizer, you can just use it for your illuminator. So there's the finished. It's supposed to look like a very natural, fresh, contoured look. I'm gonna go in with the mascara illuminator and do a little bit under my brows really quick. This brow is struggling. So that is the mascara illuminator. So it's just super easy. If you were in a rush, you could just throw on our Cinedence tinted, some lip sense, a little mascara, and do the HAC pack. So now I'm going to set it with my HAC brush and the setting powder. This is just going to kind of blend it all and give it a nice even finish. So there you have it. This is what the HAC